Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan, and today I'm really proud to introduce you to the new Tbsp Pro Series Vertical 4 pellet smoker. Why should you use a smoker if you already have a pellet grill, or if you are between a grill and a smoker? Why the pellet smoker? In a pellet smoker, you get a 5-in-1 cooking mode in a Tbsp pellet smoker. So you can, of course, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and you can also barbecue. You cannot grill or char grill, okay? It's a smoker, it's not a grill, okay? But it's a smoker, but it smokes very, very well. It's a champion in this category, okay? So I will explain you why immediately. So in this pellet smoker, you get 4 grades. So the cooking surface is about almost 7,000 square centimeters. It means that you get 4 cooking grades like that, enameled steel cooking grade, okay? You get 4 of them. It means that you can cook around 12 chicken, 18 slabs of ribs, around 10 whole pork shoulders, which is fantastic. But one of the main reasons to get a vertical smoker is the ability for you to hang a whole pork leg, to hang some sausages, to cook 4 brisket in the same time. So this is perfect for a caterer or restaurant operator as well, okay, because you can cook large quantity of meat at the same time. In this smoker, you get a hopper of 29 kilograms of pellets. 29 kilograms is almost 3 full bags of pellets, and it means that you can virtually smoke for around 60 hours in a row without needing to refill the hopper. This is just amazing, because you can start the smoker at 8 p.m., put 4 brisket in it, fill the water pan and close the door, set it and forget it until tomorrow. You can let it smoke for the whole night or 24 hours if you want. If you are smoking at very low temperature for pork legs or ham, it's just fantastic, okay? The temperature range of the smoker is between 65 and 215 Celsius degrees. So it means that you can smoke, you can bake, you can roast, you can make a bread. You cannot make a pizza because a pizza needs a higher temp, okay? But you can do all the rest. You can braise. It's just amazing. So why do they put some holes here? Simply because compared before, when the burner was just under and the smoke was rolling here inside the grill, now the burner is enclosed, so you cannot see it, you cannot access it, but the smoke will go through the walls of the barbecue and will come down to the meat. So it means that you will get a way more stable temperature and a way better smoking on your meat. This is crazy, because when you add this functionality with the water pan, it means that you will get a real humid environment, which is perfect in a smoking. You need humidity. So when you combine the humid environment of the water pan with those holes in the walls, you will get amazing result. I didn't test it yet, but I know that the result will be fantastic, okay? So the water pan needs to be full of water anytime. Here under the grate, you get that plate, and that plate will act like as a deflector and also as a dripping collecting system. So all the drippings, all the greases from the meat will fall here on that on that board, and the greases will fall over there in a grease drawer that I will show you behind the barbecue. Last but not least, here the ash cleaning system. So you just remove the burner, okay? The burner is here. You empty the ashes and you put it back. So you don't need to vacuum anymore inside the grill. You don't have ashes everywhere in the grill, so it's perfect. Another new thing here is the new locking system, which is just set to perfectly fit the gasket inside the door, and so you cannot make any harmful thing to that gasket. It's just perfect. On the side of the grill, you get the new PID controller. I will not explain you what PID is, but it means that you will get a very, very, very stable and accurate temperature. So if you decide to smoke at 110 Celsius degrees, I can promise you that that controller will hold the temperature to between 107 and 113 Celsius degrees during 20 hours if you want. Okay, so this is a great controller. It's fully programmable, and you can here put 2 meat probes to control and to program the temperature of the grill. But I will explain you in more details later everything about this controller. Here behind the grill, 2 more things. The first one is the grease tray that you can remove, put in the dishwasher if you want to clean it, and put it back. Okay. Second thing is that pellet door to get access to the hopper. So you just open it, and you can collect all the pellets inside the hopper. For example, if you don't want to smoke during maybe 2 or 3 months during the winter, which is crazy because it's so fantastic to grill during the winter. But let's say that you don't want to use your pellet smoker for maybe 2 or 3 months, then you can collect all the pellets. And if you want also to change the taste of smoke, the taste of wood, if you want to switch to another wood, you can just collect all the pellets here and close it again and put in another bag or a new pellet flavor. And here on the side of the smoker, you get a pellet window, which lets you control the quantity of pellet that you have in your hopper. You see the quantity of pellet, 1 bag. So we have plenty of space. Okay, now let's start with serious things. The controller, here the power button. Okay, so here you get the actual temperature inside the grill. Okay, here you get the 2 probes, meat probe 1 and meat probe 2. There is no meat probe attached. Okay, if I remove that one, no meat probe. Okay, so the meat probe is 15 degrees outside. Okay, so if I just want to set the temperature of the grill, I will push that button. Here I'm in a smoke mode. S is for smoke mode. Okay, so I will just choose the temperature in Celsius degrees. Okay, and so on until to heat. H for heat is the maximum is 215 Celsius degrees. All right. Okay, so if I want to set the temperature to let's say 93 Celsius degrees, I confirm. Okay, here I have the prime and MPC button. MPC is to program my meat probe. It means that, let's say that I'm cooking a chicken and I want the inside temperature, the internal temperature of the meat at 72 Celsius degrees, 72, 74 Celsius degrees. Okay, I will push the MPC button. I will set the temperature of the meat probe to 72 Celsius degrees. Okay, I will confirm, and now when I will insert the probe inside the meat, of course, and when the temperature of the meat will reach 72 Celsius degrees, the grill, the smoker will switch in a pause mode, in a hold mode, okay, at the minimum temperature, so the meat will stay warm inside the grill, but it will not cook anymore. Okay, so this is the MPC. Prime is to push some pellets inside the inside the burner faster if you plan to open the door several times. If you need more heat at one moment, you can just push the prime button to push the pellet inside the burner. Okay, Fahrenheit to Celsius switch. Okay, here in Fahrenheit, here in Celsius. Okay, and now the recipe button, which let me program different steps you have from P1 until P9. Okay, so P1, I will set the temperature, the time to 2 hours for my chicken, 2 hours at 110 Celsius degrees. Okay, then I will go to P2, step 2. Okay, let's say 0 hour and 25 minutes at 204 Celsius degrees. Okay, I confirm the recipe. Now my smoker will do the job, so it will smoke my chicken for 2 hours at 110 Celsius degrees, and then it will by itself it will switch the temperature to 204 Celsius degrees for 25 minutes. Okay, so this is a recipe mode. All right, that's it. Of course, now you can you get the IT signal, which is blinking. IT means the IT smoke app on your phone, so you have to download it to install it, to register your grill, and then you can control everything from that panel directly over your phone. Here you can see that the odor is off. Now it means that it doesn't push any more pellets in the burner. Okay, the pellet signal means that you are running out of pellets in the hopper. Okay, now let's see the controls on the app. Here you can see that the temperature, the current temperature is 20 degrees. 110 is the temperature I set it the grill. Okay, here you have the different probe. The first probe is 16 degrees, so you have the same information on your phone than on the controller. Okay, and you can do everything. You can control it. You can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Okay, so and if you want to switch the grill off, just here. Are you sure? Yeah. And it's switching off. So when you start the grill, you have to let the door open. Last thing I forgot to mention is the chimney that you can set the way you want. All right. So now let's make very easy to do recipe on the Pro Series Vertical 4. We will do chicken, smoked chicken, okay, with a curry sauce and a bacon smoked bananas, okay. This is one thing that my mother used to do when I was young with pork chops, but chicken is perfect for that. So I just rubbed some roadkill chicken. For the rub, the recipe of the rub is here and there in the description. And now we will just roll the bananas in the bacon slice, put some rub and smoke everything in the vertical 4 at 110 Celsius degrees. Okay, so I will first smoke the chickens in the Pro Series during maybe 1 hour and a half. Okay, and then only I will smoke the bananas. Okay, because they will cook very fast. All right, that's it. So you can see that we have enough space on the grate to put at least 2 chicken. And I will insert the meat probe in the thickest part of the chicken. Okay. So as you can see, the chicken gets a really great color and it's still juicy. The banana is cooked, everything is perfect. So it's time to heat. The curry sauce that will fit great that dish. So thank you for watching this video about the Tbsp Pro Series Vertical 4 pellet smoker. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.